Is your computer monitor or LCD base cracked? Don't buy a new one. In this video, I'll show you how to repair it at home using a simple and strong method. Hello everyone, welcome back to funutech. In this video, I will show you how to repair a cracked computer or LCD base at home. Instead of buying a new monitor stand, today I will repair it at home using Elfi glue and thermopole. Let's begin. Before starting the repair, cover the surrounding areas with plastic to protect other parts from glue spills. Now inspect the crack area carefully. You can clearly see the damaged section here. If ignored, this crack can grow bigger and completely break the base. First, clean the crack area properly. Remove dust, tan, loose plastic pieces. Make sure the surface is dry, so the glue bonds strongly. Now apply thermopole over the crack section. Cover the entire damaged area completely. Apply more Elfi glue on top of the foamic sheet to secure it firmly. To increase strength, I am adding a thermocol sheet layer. This will support the base and prevent future cracking. This small crack can completely destroy your monitor, but today, I'll fix it at home for almost zero cost. Instead of replacing the monitor stand, this repair saved money and extended its life. If you like repair videos that save money, I have another crack repair on my channel. Check it out. To increase strength, I am adding a thermocol sheet over the crack area. This layer will act as support and prevent the crack from opening again. Now place the foamic sheet over the other side of cracked area. Cover the entire damaged section completely. Apply more Elfi glue on top of the foamic sheet to secure it firmly. New base cost $40, repair cost $2. For extra strength, you can add another thin layer of glue. Press it firmly and apply another thin layer of glue if needed. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to funutech for more practical repair tutorials that save your money. Apply strong adhesive inside the crack. Make sure the glue goes deep and fills the entire damaged area. Do not rush this step. Proper filling ensures strong repair. This cracked computer LCD base may look small, but it can make the monitor unstable and unsafe. Make sure the glue goes deep and fills the entire damaged area. When the Elfi glue reacted with the thermopole, it caused the material to melt and bond together, creating a strong welded-like joint. Take your time with this step. Strong bonding depends on proper glue filling.
मशीन का ड्रम जो है ना वो अंदर से वो हो गया था, क्रैक हो गया था।
इसके ऊपर इतने व्यूज आ रहे हैं
If needed, apply another layer for extra strength. After drying, check the strength by gently pressing the base. As you can see, the repaired area is now strong and stable. Before repair, the monitor was shaking. After repair, there is no movement and the base is secure. New monitor base can cost around $40, but this simple repair cost only a few dollars and saved money. This is an easy and effective DIY repair that extends the life of your monitor. The thermopole melted slightly with the glue, and it bonded together like plastic welding. After repair, the base is strong and secure. There is no movement. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to funutech. For more practical repair tutorials, thank you for watching.